In this question, it is given that the shape of an automobile is so designed that its front resembles the streamlined pattern of fluid through which it moves. So let's see exactly what this question is trying to say that. So the shape of this car is designed in such a way that when the liquid is flowing through this one, it will try to flow through a streamlined path. Like if the front of car is something like this, it is going to oppose the flow of liquid, but it will not be in streamlined flow. But over here the flow of air will be in streamline because of the shape of car. If it is something like this, then there will be less resistance force as compared to a situation something like this. If there is a less resistance force, then we can say that the we need to spend less amount of energy on it or less amount of fuel on it. So we can say that the first statement is correct. The reason for is given as the resistance offered by the fluid on streamline object is maximum. Now, resistance offered by the object on turbulence will be maximum, on streamline it will be less. That's why we are making it. So the reason is wrong, but the assertion is correct. So we can write correct option for this one is C. Means reason is correct. Assertion is correct and reason is wrong.